Hey, my name is Sam Morris, and I've been coming here to Movement Chiropractic for I think around 2 years now. And I initially came because I was having some back issues, and Dr. Bryan got those pretty well corrected. And then a few months ago, maybe 2 to 3 months ago, I developed a problem in my thumb on my left hand. Had what's called a trigger finger there, and it was really uncomfortable and very annoying. And I'm left-handed, so it really was on my writing in my throwing arm. I've been for probably 25 years. I've been riding around with these hand grip exerciser things in my car. I keep them in the door, and when I'm riding around, I'm always squeezing that, just working off nervous energy and trying to strengthen my grip. And so I'm driving doing that, and then I switch to the other hand, and I think over the years, I did it too much. It was just a stress injury. Some people get carpal tunnel syndrome. I didn't get that, but I got a trigger finger in my thumb. And so I've stopped doing that now. Dr. Bryan told me about the new machine he has, the SoftWave, I believe it's tissue regeneration machine. Said you should try that. And we did, and it was successful. I had 8 treatments, yeah, and noticed some improvement after the first treatment. And after about the third, it was like pretty much back to normal. It was just almost incredible, the healing process. I was doing SoftWave once a week, and my chiropractic adjustments are every other week now. So I was coming every week for 8 weeks. After the third session, it was like tremendously better. I'm not gonna say completely healed, but really close. And now I have no pain. I have complete movement in my thumb, complete range of motion. And before it was like, to bend that joint, you gotta bend it with your other hand. So I would say that I'm convinced that the SoftWave treatments helped me avoid having to have surgery on my hand. And all I can say is it worked for me. And I can't say if it'll work for the next patient that comes around, but it did work for me, and I'm really happy I did it. It's basically painless, only takes a few minutes, and I'm just very pleased with the results. My first regimen was 8 sessions, and I have now completed those. It's a relatively new treatment modality. I don't know if many people are aware of it or have heard about it. And I don't know exactly how it works. It has something to do with causing stem cells to go to the point of the injury or the point of the trauma. But all I can say again is it worked for me. It worked very well, and it worked fast. It didn't take a lot of time. The pain is not really intense, but you can feel it, but it's nothing that's real intense. And after about the third treatment, most of that had subsided. So